Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on multi-page print on your Brother printer, meaning if you want to have multiple pages print to the same paper page when you print it out of your printer, I'm going to show you guys how to make that modification. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by in the top right to large icons, and then select Devices and Printers. Select Printers and Scanners from this list, and then select your Brother printer on here. And then go down and select Printing Preferences. Under the Basic tab, Multi-Page, you can click on the drop down here if you want to have multiple pages in one. You can do 2 in 1, 4 in 1, all the way up to 25 in 1. And you can also do aspect ratios as well. You can do 1 inch 2 by 2 pages all the way up to 1 inch 5 by 5 pages. So pretty straightforward process on that, and then you would select OK to save the change once you're done. And that's about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.